Well, we were at a private daycare, and we didn't feel that our daughter was getting a lot out of it. It seemed like they always had her indoors. They didn't have any kind of curriculum for her. It sounded like they just wanted her to play on the ground with a couple other little kids, and she just wasn't getting anything out of it.
She was getting bored with the curriculum that they had. It was more curtailed to the smaller kids. And so we were trying to find a place where she could go and have it conveniently located, have more of a steady curriculum for her age.
I had an 18-month-old and a 5-year-old, and prior to that I stayed home with them for 5 years and decided I wanted to go back to work. And we had looked around at different daycares and learning centers, and my kids felt, to me, they looked tense. They went in and they didn't want to touch anything. They didn't want to, they didn't feel comfortable.
So we found Kitty Careland, and I had talked to Miss Charlotte, the director, and she gave me some information, and we took Jessica there about the 3rd time.
Our daughter knew this is where she wanted to be. She went instantly into the playroom area. She was introduced to all the other children, and we had a hard time getting her out of there. So when that happened, we knew this was where we were going to go.
We came here, we were welcomed, we felt very comfortable. The kids came in, we went on a tour.
And when I first brought him, I was not real sure that's what I really wanted to do, but I met Charlotte and some of the staff there, and they all made us feel really comfortable. Or myself especially, I felt really comfortable.
Your first day, your actual first day of letting them go and you have to go off to work, you have a lot of animosity.
My main concern was my 18-month-old. I was really skeptical about leaving him anywhere because he was my baby.
Devin had a hard time leaving me. He had that anxiety, and the staff was really great. They jumped right in and would take him from my arms and distract him with toys and wave at me out the window and really helped with him to make him feel comfortable and work with him through that transition.
When I took her the first time, that was hard for me to just leave her there, and they were real good about it. They took my daughter and walked her to the window and told her to say bye, and it was just an easy transition for me and her.
I did call a few times to make sure he was okay, and his older brother was on the grade school kid side, so he would come over and check on him for me also.
They had told me several times that anytime you want to come by unannounced and you can check on your child. And so I did. And every time I did, she was having a great time. There was nothing crazy going on, and all the children were being watched, very carefully.
You've got a phone right there. You've got the videos that come over the internet. You can get to see your kids playing and having fun. It gives you a great feeling knowing that they're happy and that their friends are there with them and that the teachers are watching. So that kind of animosity went away really quick. We weren't afraid to leave our child there.
All the people that have taken care of her before, she knew them because they were family or friends of ours. And this was somebody she didn't know, and I was okay with leaving her with them.
I've never come and he's been wet or upset or dirty-faced. I've been really happy with everything here.
He just has a really great time, and I'm comfortable because I know that he's safe and he's in the hands of people who truly care about his well-being and his safety.
When you check in and out of Kitty Careland, they have a sign-in sheet. So you sign in order to put your child into either the preschool side or the grade school side. And then when you pick them up, you sign them out.
It's typically just the mother and father that can do it unless you allow somebody else to pick up your kids, like your grandparents, aunt or uncle.
I'm a single parent, so I've had to go through custody with my daughter's father, and so that was a big concern for me because I was afraid he may try to go into the daycare and get her, but I provided all the paperwork that I needed to, and so if anyone was to pick her up, that wasn't me, they would call me.
But you have to clear that through Kitty Careland first. Nobody off the street is just allowed to walk in and say, I'm here to pick up so-and-so.
This person's here, are they allowed to take her? And they would check for identification. So that was a big relief to me.
Yes, safety is a huge issue for me. I mean, he is my youngest, and he's absolutely precious to me. And knowing that the doors are locked is great.
You have to ring a buzzer, and they have to identify you as a parent in order to let you in the facility.
kids will be kids, let's face it. I mean, they're always going to be times where they're going to be rambunctious, and it's just nice to know, cameras watching to make sure that, if there is an accident or an issue, you've got it on tape. It just puts everything into check. It's another safety precaution that Kitty Care Land does that we appreciate because it just makes the environment around here that much safer.
And I know that there's a lot more security here than there would be at a regular after-school program at a school.
Knowing that the doors are locked and the staff inside is well screened, and that I know that they've been through the FBI process and everybody knows that they are safe to work with children, they're experienced to work with children, I don't ever have the fear in this school system that my child is in any danger or harm.
Just knowing that she wasn't going to be in harm's way in any which way, knowing that, there's enough teachers around that are going to be watching them, interacting with them, that was very important to us.
The staff, I love the staff. They're always there for me and my daughter.
They're like family. They treat our children with a lot of love. I can't be more happy with them.
We've never looked back since. We've had just great experiences over and over, and they take such good care of our kids.
The kids were always watched. They were always loved, taken care of.
I would recommend Kitty Care Schools because I've had a great experience with them myself.
It's a very good feeling. It's a great peace of mind knowing my child's safe, she's happy, and she wants to be there.
As long as my kids are happy, I'm happy.